Anyway, trip to HEB was a flop. There is a huge line just waiting to get in, so we decided, not gonna bother. Pretty big line for Popeyes. I have a bad feeling for Walmart. I don't even think it's open. Oh no. No.
Well, you can get it.
Ow, bummer. Bummer, dude. Smile for the camera. Oh, Jesus. Oh, no. Oh, no. Well, no groceries for us. RIP Texas. I guess we don't get any groceries. We have some boxed brownies. We'll just have to live off brownies.
Well, more pizza dough bread.
Oh, yeah, we can make more pizzas. We don't need eggs for pizzas, right?
I mean, while we could make more pizzas, I was thinking we just make a lot of loaves of bread. Eat bread for the rest of our lives.
I miss eggs.
We have four eggs left. Four eggs
Four
left.
eggs is not enough.
4 eggs is plenty. We have 4 eggs left.
No.
Egg souffle. Egg souffle.
Egg souffle. We can make one big omelette, and that will have to last.
Provided I don't accidentally waste an egg. And freezing, or defrosting, is just going to turn everything into ice again tomorrow.
Hi. So we did make an attempt to go food shopping. It didn't go very well. I guess that today is the first day that they've opened back up and everybody has gone. I guess everyone's out of food. It's just crazy. It's crazy. We are not in a position where we need to stand in line, so thankfully we just decided to come home. So we're just gonna eat whatever we have in the house, which is not a lot, but we'll deal with it. I actually think we've been really, really lucky because we live right next to the hospital. Well, down the road from the hospital. So that means that our power stays on. We're kind of priority in this area. So thankfully, we haven't had any power outs, which I'm so thankful for because I know a lot of people have. We have friends who have houses below freezing temperatures. And I don't know how they cope with that. I would be going mad. We haven't been able to go to work. The roads haven't been very safe. Today is the first day really where people are actually leaving their house. One thing that's really shocked me is like how mean-spirited people are about this. Because this state is not equipped to deal with this. It doesn't happen very often. Texas houses are designed to keep you cool. You know, it's hot here. Texas is a hot state, so a lot of people have been saying like, oh, you should try living in Wisconsin, or oh, I live in Canada, it's nothing. But it's not nothing here. Texas isn't designed to deal with this kind of weather. I mean, before we moved here, we lived in Minnesota, but believe me, it was cold and it snowed all the time. This is very standard weather for Minnesota, but they're equipped to deal with it. I mean, we lived in an apartment and the heating there was actually free, and I believe that it's free in the whole state, because if you had to pay for heating in Minnesota, then people would just die all the time. Yeah, and in Minnesota, we used to go through a skyway. It was a tunnel that went above the road, and we used to walk through that to get to work, and that was heated. It was nice. We barely had to be outside. We were outside for about 2 minutes, I think, on our way to work, just across the road. And there's always gritters out. You can drive on the roads, they're not unsafe. It's different here. People don't seem to understand that. It's different. And people are actually dying. And there's people laughing at us because they deal with this every day. I mean, I'm sure that in Canada, if you had a heat wave like you have in Texas, then people would be dying of heat stroke. I'm not going to sit here and be like, oh, it's that weather all the time in Texas. Deal with it. It's crazy. Isn't that crazy? I think it's crazy. We've actually been dealing okay. Actually, we've been dealing pretty well. We have a lot of winter clothes from moving from Minnesota. We're always prepared for these kind of things. We also have a car that can deal with it. Thank God. But most people here don't. So yeah, it makes me a little sad that people insist on reacting like that, because there's no need, is there? People are struggling and you have to laugh at them. It's just... But apart from that, it's very pretty. I quite like the snow. It's definitely a novelty. I know a lot of people don't like the snow. But yeah, that's all I have to say for the moment. We made pizzas last night, and I'm pretty sure I filmed the pizzas going into the oven and then never filmed the finished product. I also made pancakes and I filmed it cooking, and then I didn't. I just ate them. Yeah, I'm not the best vlogger, but it's okay. Okay, I've been rambling for long enough. Ta-ra for now.